Hello everyone. So today we will see how we can compress any large size folder or file using 7-zip, and also how we can encrypt that file so that only authorized person can access that file. So let's start. First of all, we will open. If you don't have 7-zip, just go to Google Chrome, type 7-zip and download 7-zip. Download your respective system. Like I have 64-bit, so I will download 64-bit. I have already downloaded. So I will put the link into the description. So we will start. I want to compress one file. I want to compress this file. This file having size, you can see it's 242 MB. So I will compress it. So what I will do is I will do right click 7-zip and do add to archive. So here you can see the settings 7Z Ultra LZMA2. Dictionary size is 64 MB, word size is 62 MB, solid block is 4 GB, and number of CPU threads. Make it always 2. It will utilize your memory usage. So make sure it will always low. Okay, so here enter your password if you want to make it protected. So I will enter the password. Then I will click encrypt file names. Make sure this should be clicked. Do okay. Will take some time. After this, you will find the size will be reduced, and also you will find this file is protected. So let it complete. So now you can see it is completed and the size is reduced from 248 to 60 MB. Here you can see 59 MB. So this I will take it to desktop. So if I will extract over here, it will show that already folder is there. So I will extract here. Just do right click, just go here and just extract. It will ask for password. You can see that. So like this, you can also send this file to someone and you can share the key so that only that person can access this file. Enter the password. You can hide the password and show the password. That is compressed, and you can check the file size. It's the original size, 242 MB. That's it. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, do like and share.